Good morning. We are at Jeju Airport because, we are going to Jeju Island today.
Hiya!
So we've got 5 minutes till the check-in opens, and then our flight is in like an hour. Oh my god, they're moving a bank. Wow. There's quite a lot going on for such an early time in the morning. Could just be stealing that, we wouldn't have any idea. Jackson's enjoying this, I can tell.
Have you ever thought about moving your money?
We're in Jeju Island, well the airport obviously. The flight was what, half an hour?
35 minutes exactly by the time we landed.
We were up and then down straight away. He always loves a photo opportunity.
Go on.
No, okay.
When using take the airport limousine bus.
Came out of the airport, got a boat, and then just hopped straight on the airport limousine bus. Not actually that stressful, quite smooth, makes me nervous when this happens.
There's a push to stop.
The difficulty of being British is that you carry Marmite around, and when your bag falls off your shoulder when you get off the bus, the Marmite smashes.
What's difficult with being British and you? You and your dad carry Marmite round. I haven't got any Marmite.
Not every British person travelling carries Marmite around. Found the sea! We've just walked down from our accommodation to, well, the nearest bit of sea really. Just having a little explore, trying to find some food actually. But this is so pretty! Absolutely stunning. The rocks are so black. Good morning. Okay. What, you tripped? Did you trip? Did you trip? Did you? It is day 2 on Jeju Island. Basically day 1, because all we did yesterday was our classic wander around, get our bearings. But we are on our way to 2 waterfalls. There are 2 along this sort of like coast path near where we're staying. They are called, and 2 waterfalls today. Haven't got swimwear on because I don't think you can swim in them, have you?
Yeah,
You snake!
All my shorts are swimwear, so it doesn't matter. I'm not actually going to go, I ain't got a towel.
Well, one of us is going for a lovely swim in the waterfalls, and it's not me, but how far away are we?
As the crow flies, maybe 40 minutes.
40 minutes from the first
and the one after that's about 25 minutes, 30 minutes out further on.
Okay, perfect.
So where are we now? We're in Seogwipo? Where's that sign? What does it say?
We did struggle yesterday to find some dinner near us. Not really many restaurants or cafes or anything. Well, there are cafes, but they only sell drinks. I don't know if that's a typical Korean thing. But we ended up just having a lovely ramen from GS25? Is that what it's called?
Is that all? Nice to see you, I don't know which one.
But we have free breakfast with our hostel, so we have stocked up on that. I'm just going to keep walking. There's not really much to show you. We are faced with a nice view of a petrol station and a busy road.
The national what?
The national fruit of Jeju, which is
mandarin.
The mandarin. Found one of Jeju Island's famous stone men, and also the highest point in South Korea. We were reading yesterday that people get up at like 5 AM to climb to the summit, don't they?
They camp at the bottom.
Yeah.
So they can start. It opens at 5, shuts at 5. So if you're not past a certain point by a certain time, the park rangers don't let you continue because they know you won't make it to the top. So people camp to get the earliest start possible, I think.
Wow.
Not like us.
Yeah, I mean, our walk, as you can see, a little bit easier, just on the flat road. But I think we're nearly there. Jason's map says a 5-minute walk, but we have just seen a sign that said 1.9 kilometres. So we're not really sure. I mean, I probably believe the sign, but we've probably been walking for about 40 minutes.
You can see why though, look at that.
Yeah, it doesn't look that far away at all, unless you just can't walk that directly to it. But it also just does not feel like the area for a waterfall. Like, it's just completely like roads and town. It's strange. So maybe we have got more to walk, we'll see. We were just walking across this bridge, chatting away, and then we came across this, which I can only assume is the waterfall. But we're not sure how to get down there, or if there's anything this side of the road maybe. So we have walked all the way from up here, all the way down this path, all the way down across the bridge, and we're finally at the car park for the waterfall. Definitely took a wrong turn. When we were at that bridge where I showed you could see the waterfall over it, we should have gone right and we went left, but it's alright, we're here now, and it's really not that warm today, so it's quite a nice temperature to walk in. Two adults, 2,001 each.
So age is only over 25?
Youth.
Yeah, not that anymore, are you? 1,000 if you're 24.
Half price.
That's crazy.
Good, isn't it?
I'm more surprised when you have like, it says adults and it says like over the age of 14. And it's like, well, they're not an adult, are they? But they just want to get more money out of you. And this is the opposite. 24-year-olds are still classed as kids.
Pardon?
Really dark.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see
Really,
that.
really well camouflaged.
There you go, you can. That fish.
Do you reckon people feed them?
Yeah.
Because they're just sort of like bobbing, aren't they? Look.
Yeah, he's waiting, he knows. Got the tickets. We're on our way. Oh, 480 metres.
Right, innit?
Perfect.
No Powerades allowed.
Yeah, it's an hour, isn't it? The Stone Man Park.
Yeah.
It's quite a long way. Here they are anyway. Seen them now.
Get a picture of it and then never speak about them again.
Round this corner we're going to see it, but I want to film our reactions to seeing it for the first time.
Whoa!
Wow! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Wow! That is insane! 20 metres did you say?
I think so, yeah, 20 metre drop.
That is incredible. 22 metres high and 12 metres wide. Wow. Wow.
So we're going to just get an angle, pretend we're the only people here.
Blur out everyone else.
Blur out everybody else.
That is so impressive. Just seen a sign though, no droning, which is annoying because we actually packed the drone today, we were organised, but oh well, it's nice to look at, isn't it?
Imagine if I could fly though, do you reckon they'd be able to stop that? If I flew like a drone, naturally, somehow, do you reckon they'd stop me? The most annoying thing about these places is, these types of places, is you've got a queue for this nice Instagram photo, which is okay, but then when everyone's up there, they take ages having the photos done. Like, it's almost like they're like, well, we've queued, we're going to be up here for about 5 minutes. But they're affecting the whole thing. They're part of the system. Capitalism, man. Yeah, I've made Erin queue up for it. And I've got to wait here so I can take the perfect photo. It's actually a pretty good photo spot. Or, not a photo spot, but a viewing spot.
And a photo spot.
And a photo spot, yeah. But it is very, very busy.
I think because where we're staying in Jeju, it feels really quiet here, so I didn't expect there to be this many people at all. I thought it would be like... What are you laughing at?
I had a thought in my head. When we went to the waterfall in Pai, I can't remember if we filmed it, but you flew the drone up and it was this loud. And then those two guys were like, oh, drones are so annoying, it's so loud. They might have been American, I'm not sure.
Ruining the atmosphere.
Ruining the atmosphere. And you can't even hear it because the waterfall was so loud. And I'm pretty sure they were listening to music as well.
They had a speaker.
Little JBL popping away. But it just reminded me of that because of the drone and the waterfall.
Okay, we've just done a 20-minute walk across to the next waterfall, which is called Jeonbang waterfall, next place. Just down some steps. And I think this is it's either the only or one of the only waterfalls that you can see going straight into the sea.
In Korea? Or?
Wow, they are very uneven steps. Oh my god, I'm scared. Just been sat on this rock with a view of the sea behind us and the waterfall just here. But we're getting absolutely bitten to death. I don't know if it's sandflies or what it is, but we're going to go now and we're going to head to the bridge that is at the top of this waterfall, and if we're successful then you'll get a drone shot about now.
Alright, successfully droned by Captain Pilot Erin. Hope you enjoyed those shots. Let's go to the market.
We're in the market, there's lots of mandarins, that's my first impression. Mandarin everything, because it is the national fruit of Jeju Island.
Mandarin City, baby.
As we learnt yesterday, it's cool. I don't know where to start. It's in like a quad.
Start down there.
Down here? Okay, have a look. Mushrooms. Oh, what is this? Oh wow, it's so pretty. Look at that. Are they benches? Yeah, I think you sit and eat on them. It's cool. More mandarin, more mandarin, more mandarin. You know, it smells really fresh here, considering it's a food market.
There's not a lot of flies, I've noticed, in South Korea in general. And I found out a reason why. I haven't googled it, but everywhere has food compost waste. So every hostel you stay in, every guest house, there's always a place for food compost. So you put your food in, so you don't get a lot of food, if any, in the bins,
Yeah.
which then means you don't get a lot of flies, which then means you don't get a lot of maggots, which then means you don't get a lot of rats.
Yeah, I haven't seen one rat.
No rats, barely any flies. Like,
Which is good.
I think that's definitely has to be the reason why. Like,
Yeah.
there's no food waste in bins. They get it separate.
But the fish, everything, just looks so clean. I mean, not that, it's obviously in tanks, but I meant like everybody's washing the fish in like contained buckets. Like there's no like fish blood on the floor like there can be in some markets we've been to. Everything's just really clean. Like look at that, how clean those fish are. It's amazing. This dried fish. Whoa. It's kind of making me want some fish.
Just raw
Yeah.
and wriggling.
Well, look, you can get
Wriggle it.
kimchi, yeah. It's cool.
A nation of
Put it in
kimchi.
like little packet. We like some kimchi, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? Do you know what? I've realised they love here cream cheese.
Yeah.
It's in everything. I love cream cheese. Like a cream cheese fried, deep fried, like bao bun kind of thing.
We spotted this little stall. These little fellas caught our eye. 4,000 or 5,000 won for tangerine bread.
Yeah, orange cake.
Orange cake.
I just love the little stone man. Also look, tangerine regular.
There's a bit of tangerine juice.
Oh, there's stone man as well.
Yeah. A little juice too. It's going to be hard to throw this bottle away. It's going to be hard to throw this bottle away. It's Have you good feel like your coconut oil? Puts a hole in the lid for the straw. So that's taking care of that decision. We'll be getting rid of that.
Taste test. You're gonna struggle not to drink that whole thing.
Oh, so good. It's really sour as well, which
Nice.
is quite nice.
I love how cold it is.
Almost like it's got lime juice in it. Samnida. Are they hot? Wow. Go on, let's get one in our mouths. Same time.
Oh, whoa! Smell those. They're really hot. That. No, you'll be okay.
Wow, I got brilliant. Ah. The Olle Market delivers.
Wow. I love that.
It's a nice little snack. We haven't only really had breakfast today, which we nearly didn't get because it finished at 9. We went in there cooking at like 10 past 10. She was like, no. And she let us do it.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
glad we got so many of these.
As markets go, it was really nice. I'm glad we went.